Y'all hear my little videos? I don't got a hammer though, by the way, Hatfield. Hey, watch out in the middle. This dude jumped up on this thing in the back. Yeah. Oh. Let's save our ammo. What?
Mission clock about to expire.
Oh, that's awesome. He's wallbanging shit on me, but I'm coming. Watch out.
Good job. Get ready for the next round.
Should I invite Hatfield back in here quick as possible? Yeah, because they gotta win for them.
Halftime. Search and destroy. Clear the objective. Bomb acquired.
Alright, well, I'm not really moving. Just kind of waiting to see, like, if you can pick somebody.
Changing. Changing.
Alright, you push up in middle. Alright, well, that's our best move for real.
Target spotted.
Thought you was fucking coming.
Alright, we
I
lost
thought you was
that
coming
round,
up.
but
I
it's
just.
not over yet.
Oh
Get
my
ready for
god,
the
man.
next
How did
one.
I lose that? I don't understand how I lost that. How? Where the fuck are they holding help failed off or what?
Switching operation ready point. Search and destroy.
Yep.
Defend the objectives.
I was wondering if I should use a target finder for more bullet. Alright, I used one. That kid should be dead. Bro, you was fucking shooting a kid at A. Come, oh my
We
god,
lost
seriously?
that round, but it's
You wasn't
not
even
over
shooting
yet.
nobody.
Step up.
I had the kid lit at A and you said watch my back and he killed me. Like that. And I was shooting the kid at A because you said damn it!
Switching operation ready
I didn't let
point.
my back hang out, I was just trying to shoot him at A.
Search
fuck,
and
man?
destroy. Destroy the objective. Charges acquired.
Oh my god, this is retarded. Why?
Transitioning.
There he is. You can't get him in here for this round. If we get a pick, we can win this. No. We're can't fucking pick nobody. I'm trying to get these kids to come up in the middle thing.
Transitioning.
Somebody's mic's echoing. We went around, we got to
Changing. Check your timeline.
For real, I don't even think we should give him a kill. I don't even want to give up a kill.
Alright, we lost that round, but it's not
If somebody
over
gets
yet.
picked, we're
Get ready
fucked.
for the next one. Overtime. Search and destroy. Protect the objectives.
Don't be popping out and shit because this is the last round D and somebody gets picked, we're fucked.
Reloading.
I think it was just a lag spike. Hatfield, are you there? Hatfield.
Shoot him down.
Yeah, he did. He's gonna tap it again. I told you he was gonna tap it again. Why was you rushing?